We're back with the we're back with the video on Will You Press the Button? And I personally like the game a lot, so I'm gonna do a video on it. This might be again, or this might be the first one, I don't know, because I recorded a video before this and I forgot to upload it, so I don't know if this will be the first video on this game or the second one, but either way, let's get right back in, because I'm recording this right after last recording, and because I want to get a good amount of videos in every day for a week, so yeah, let's get back in. Or let's get in. You can hop into other people's dreams, but you can never have your own dreams again. Nah, that one's not worth it. Yeah, at least most people agreed with me. Yeah, okay. You become excellent on anything you do, but you become a 3,000-year-old mummy. Yeah, heck no. That one's definitely not happening. Be able to control every cat in the world, but you will be hunted down, but the dogs. What? I can't do that. You're the best at every possible skill, but you're not allowed to show anyone any skill you have. No, I wouldn't be able to deal with that. I mean, if I had every possible skill and I was like completely good at it, then I'd obviously want to show people how good I am. So, you have a 99 out of 100% chance at $1 million, but a 1 out of 100. Yeah, wait, 21% of the people actually choose to know. Wow. You can be Superman for 1 hour a day, but you must spend the rest of your time in a wheelchair. Yeah, because I can make that work out good, because I can make it like... I could make it like one of the last hours of the day, or like say it was the 23rd hour, which is 11. I know, which is 10. Yeah, and then for that hour, and then for that whole hour I'll be Superman. Then once it's 11, well, 10 would be the 22nd like hour that's there, but 23rd, whatever. And then once I'm done with that, I'll only have to be in a wheelchair. I'll only have to be in a wheelchair for an hour, and I'll probably use that hour to play video games. Or I'll just put a wheelchair in bed and sleep in that, or just put it on the floor or something. Because if you do it like that, it can work out really good. You just have to think. You get the $1 million, but you must fight a skeleton. This doesn't make sense, but I guess I'll go with it. You get all the power you ever desired, but you have to fight the skeleton from He-Man. You cannot win, you fool. You cannot win, you fool. You don't even try. Yeah, I'll do it. Cause so many things. You can travel in time and space endlessly, but you age way slower than everyone else and can't keep a friend for more than 2 years. Heck, no, I definitely don't want to do that. If someone wanted to do that, I'd have to just hit him on the dang head. Bye-bye, balloon. Your crush will be your true love. Your crush will be your true love and will be the most perfect woman you wished for, but everyone will start hating you. Yeah, I wouldn't care if people hate me because I'm me for me. I'm going to be me if I want to be me. Because I'd rather be me than be someone else. Because being me is perfectly fine. I don't care what other people think. As long as I'm myself, then I'm fine. I'm not insecure or anything. As long as I believe in myself and I am being myself, I don't care what people think. Because I'm being me, okay? So you can use the Force, but only if nobody is watching. Heck yeah! Wow. Not surprised that only 16% didn't press the button. You meet your favorite artist. What she. I don't have a favorite artist because I hate art. Unless it's the art of video games. The only art I don't hate is like graphic designs and stuff. Or pixel designing. Stuff like that. But all other art I absolutely hate. Unless it has stuff that I like. But whatever. Everything you say will come true. But you will get the opposite of what you say. Yeah, because you can say the opposite. Because you can say the opposite of what you want, and then once that comes true, you get what you actually want. So there's a good reason to push that button. So yeah, you have pressed the button. Whatever. I said X. Get off of this. No. Will you press the button? The button! The button! Okay? I want to go to will you press the button? Thank you. That's much better. Yeah, that's much better. How many freaking notifications? You can travel forward through time whenever repercussions, but you can only travel at the speed of 1 second. What? That doesn't make sense, so I'm not gonna press the dang button. And after this video, I'm also going to do a Splix.io video or two. So, I can get 4 videos uploaded today. 3, 4. Possibly. You can travel forward through time whenever you want with no Oh yeah, I just did that. Duh. You become 3 times more intelligent, but you can never be rich. No. I'm definitely gonna be rich. You can travel back in time, but you can only travel back in time. Yeah, I'll do it. I mean, you're still being able to travel back in time. You can choose to travel to any other period in history you wish, but you can't travel back. You forgot everything, and you will be part of the most oppressed race of people there are. That era. No! people not choosing right decisions, man. People just choosing stupid decisions. Stupid decisions. You are given $10 million, but you have AIDS with a 10-year lifespan to either find a cure or die. No! No, because I can get $100 million without doing this. You become the world's smartest person, and one subject can be switched once a year, but you can't do any normal thing. Cook, clothe yourself, eat, need to be fed, and... Wow, no, it's not worth it. It's nowhere near being worth it. You can speak any language you would like to, but you cannot speak the language. Nah, I just can't. Wait, what? I figured I saw Trump there. Stupid Donald Trump. You have the power to control time, rewind, skip forward, freeze, etc. But you will age 55% faster than everyone around you. Hold on, guys. I'll pause the video. Alright, we're back. I had to go do something real quick. But yeah, we're back. You have the power to control time, rewind, skip, forward, freeze, whatever. Actually, I won't do that because I want to stay young, or I want to stay at my age as long as I possibly can. So I can live life longer and live life happy. And enjoy more things. You bring peace to the world, but you do... Ooh, okay. We're just gonna walk over here and shut the door. That will definitely help. You bring peace to the world, but you do so by becoming the object of everyone's hatred. Nah, I won't do that. Well, that's it for this video. Guys. After this, I'm going to be recording Splix.io, and so we can have some of that today, and there's possibly... At the most, there'll be 4 videos today. But yeah, at least 4 videos, so I'll see you guys in the next video.